Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the threats and opportunities that have arisen due to advancement in the field of artificial intelligence. Are you also fascinated by the possibilities that artificial intelligence brings into the field of technology? Do you think that artificial intelligence is the next best cure to every human problem? The cure of diseases, performing complex activities, security, safety, as well as defense against the natural phenomenon. Everything has its benefits and disadvantages. And it is very important to understand how much you are willing to give in order for a world controlled by artificial intelligence. However, there are several aspects of artificial intelligence that make it the most advanced technology that man has ever achieved. Automated functioning of different tasks in the field of education and development. Integration with other technologies to make them automatic and increase the efficiency. Use in health industries to study different diseases and find possible cures. This can be done with the help of simulations run by artificial intelligence, revolutionizing the manufacturing process of many organizations and making them more efficient. In this video session, we will be learning about artificial intelligence and the roles it will play in our lives. We will also go through the effects on the job market. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss any updates. Now, without delaying the session any further, let us begin. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a new phase of technological development for human beings. It is collectively an endeavor of science and engineering that is being used to make intelligent automatic devices. These devices include intelligent computer programs and automatic devices that work together with many integrated systems. It has a connection to the comparable job of understanding human intellect through the use of computers. Additionally, AI is not limited to biologically observable techniques. With the world moving towards technological development and enhancement, artificial intelligence is the glue that has held everything together. Artificial intelligence is affecting our lives more and more and in unimaginable ways. The use of devices such as voice controlled sound boxes, lights, and security systems are all a product of artificial intelligence. It has started to revolutionize our world from smartphones to automatically driven cars. The world is moving towards betterment and automation. But if there are merits of something, there are bound to be some demerits. But before we get to the threats posed by AI, let us learn more about the history of artificial intelligence. In the following session, we will see a brief history of AIs and what was its initial purpose. History of AI. Artificial intelligence was developed to provide machines the ability to carry out several tasks without any human intervention. Let us learn more about the history of AI. The term AI was coined in 1956 at Dartmouth College. John McCarthy and Marvin Minsky were known as the founders of AI. It faced a period of criticism during the period 1974 to 1980, which was known as Cold Winters. Learning is a subfield of machine learning that is included in AI. By utilizing artificial intelligence, systems are now capable of apprehending and achieving particular goals. The former refers to computers that learn on their own without the help of humans from previously collected data. Text, pictures, and audio may all be processed by the computer using machine learning. Artificial intelligence should be able to perform certain tasks such as evaluation, learning, automatic solving of problems, and monitoring. Artificial intelligence has been with us for a long time, and it has rooted itself in many modules of humankind. In the next session, we will see the different types of AIs. Types of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is broadly classified into two categories, namely strong AI and weak AI. Let us understand the two types of AI in detail. Weak artificial intelligence, ANI, or artificial narrow intelligence, is AI that has been specifically programmed to do a single job. The majority of today's artificial intelligence is powered by ineffective AI. There's no better term for this form of AI than narrow. This category of AI allows several extremely strong applications like iPhone's Siri and Amazon's Alexa, as well as self-driving cars from Tesla. Strong artificial intelligence. In order to have a strong artificial intelligence, you need both AGI and super intelligence. It's a speculative kind of artificial intelligence in which a computer would have intellect equivalent to those of mankind, with a conscience and awareness that can resolve issues, understand, and make goals and aspirations. Superintelligence or artificial superintelligence (ASI) might be superior to human brains and abilities. Despite the fact that strong AI is only a theory at this point, with no real world applications, it doesn't imply that scientists today are not even working to advance it. What are machine learning and deep learning? Deep learning is a branch of machine learning, while machine learning is a subcategory of artificial intelligence. Artificial neural networks are the building blocks of deep learning. An artificial neural network with more than 3 tiers, including outputs and inputs, might be called a deep learning method. Machine learning and deep learning vary in that they employ different learning algorithms. Massive amounts of data repositories can be used with deep learning, since it automates extraction of features by requiring less human interaction. Deep learning may be thought of as customizable learning algorithms. Non-deep or traditional machine learning relies more on human input to learn. People with specialized knowledge decide on the future hierarchy needed to grasp the distinctions between different data sources. Annotated records, also known as supervised learning, can be used by deep machine learning to educate the algorithm. But this is not a requirement. Text, pictures, and many other unstructured and semi structured information may all be consumed, and the software can automatically decide which attributes belong to which subcategories. Instead of requiring human interaction, machine learning uses data without our involvement, enabling us to expand that in more creative ways. With endless possibilities, AI is becoming the face of revolution in the technological industry. Therefore, let us learn in the following session its applications and the threats to its poses. Applications of artificial intelligence. There are several real-world applications that engineers have started to implement in our lives with the help of artificial intelligence. From AIs like Siri and Amazon's Alexa, AI is slowly crawling into our lives and we aren't aware of them. Therefore, let us see some of the applications of artificial intelligence. Speech recognition. There are several names for this technology, including speech to text, automated speech recognition (ASR), computer voice recognition (CSR). Speech recognition is increasingly being used in smartphones, whether for voice search like Siri or perhaps to make messaging more friendly to people with challenges. Providing round-the-clock customer service. Traditional customer service representatives are being replaced by online chatbots all through the industry for customer satisfaction. They answer FAQs on issues that have pre-recorded answers like shipping or offer tailored advice, cross-selling items, or recommending clothing to customers, transforming the way we approach consumer involvement across various digital channels. Examples of these AI-powered chatbots include chatbots on e-commerce platforms with virtual personal assistants, chatting applications such as Slack and Facebook Messenger, and duties normally performed by chatbots and virtual agents. Computer vision. It is an artificial intelligence technique that allows machines and computers to generate useful information from illustrations, videos, and many other graphical sources, and then take measures on that knowledge. Image recognition does not have this suggestion capability, but text recognition can. Computer vision uses deep learning techniques, may be used in image annotation on social networking sites, radiological screening in hospitals, and self-driving automobiles in the car industry. Recommendation engine. Artificial intelligence algorithms assist in discovering data patterns that can also be utilized to build more successful cross-selling tactics based on prior purchasing behavioral data. During the payment processes, online businesses can utilize AIs to provide appropriate add-on suggestions to clients. Stock trading. Artificial intelligence AI-driven high-frequency transaction platforms execute hundreds or even millions of deals each day without any need for human interaction in automatic financial markets. Threats posed by artificial intelligence. With possibilities and benefits comes along some threats and demerits. Additionally, the rate at which AIs are being used carries with it a lot of potential risks. Therefore, let us see some of the risks and threats that AIs bring along with themselves. Lack of AI usage has been labeled the biggest danger, with consequences such as poor execution of important programs, a loss of competitive edge in the global market, and worsening economic conditions for citizens. One of the threats can be caused due to misinformation about machine learning by the public and businesses, decaying infrastructure, a lack of innovation, lack of capital, or splintered global marketplaces might indeed contribute to AI's underutilization. Additionally, overuse of artificial can also be stated to be problematic. There are several fictional stories and movies that show that excessive use of AI could lead to analytical skills among humans. A problem with excess investing in AI applications that don't work or utilizing machine learning and artificial intelligence for jobs is considered to be threatening. It wasn't designed for purposes such as explaining complicated social issues or solving problems related to human errors. A significant problem is to find out who is liable for damages produced by AI, operated equipment, or service. For example, in a mishap with a self driving automobile, who should pay for the damage? Automobile owners, the producers, or the software developer? Artificial intelligence AI has the potential to have a significant impact on the entitlement to the protection of personal data. This may, for example, be used by biometric identification devices or to monitor and profile individuals online. AI makes it possible to combine the knowledge that an individual has provided with the fresh data, leading to outcomes that no one expected. To be sure, AI poses a serious threat to democracy. AI has indeed been criticized for producing digital propaganda that shows only material people want to see, rather than fostering a space for diverse, open, and inclusive national debate. In fact, it could be used to produce deepfakes, which are highly realistic fakes of video, audio, and pictures. These can put the finances in danger, damage the reputation, and make people rethink their decisions. All of this has the potential to create division and polarization in the public eye, which may then be used to influence elections and vote banks. AI might potentially have a negative impact on the right to protest and demonstrate because it could monitor and identify people who hold particular ideas or do specific actions. AIs have the potential to predict human behavior and can be used by organizations to harm the general public. There are countless movies that alert humankind about the world governed by AI. Therefore, despite being very helpful and beneficial for humankind, it also poses a threat. In the following session, we are going to learn more about the future aspect of AIs and the effect they will have on job opportunities. Will AI replace job opportunities in the future? If artificial intelligence integrated into office processes, many jobs will disappear. While AI is projected to generate and improve jobs, concurrently it will start to diminish the job process. However, high skills and knowledge will be essential in preventing long-term recession and ensuring a qualified workforce. It may start a revolution for creating a skilled workforce that compete with artificial intelligence. Some of the average employees would go out of the job, which would not be beneficial for the overall economy of the country. Future opportunities that AI could bring. Artificial intelligence has endless possibilities, and if it is used in a controlled way, it will have many positive aspects. Let us see some of the future opportunities that also AI brings. Use of artificially constructed simulations to study and cure diseases, predicting the course of natural calamities and alerting citizens before it even occurs, finding the perfect approach to several industrial manufacturing processes that would increase efficiency, development of humanoid robots inbuilt with AIs for security purposes, use of AI-powered drones and robots for surveillance, use of AI-powered humanoid soldiers to prevent terrorist attacks. Additionally, using these robots on the battlefield reduce the loss of human life. Key takeaway. Artificial intelligence is a fascinating field. It has the potential to be revolutionary for humankind. And if it's used in the wrong way, it can even bring destruction to human life. With every technology comes the risk of its misuse. However, if artificial intelligence is used in a better way, additionally limiting its use so that it does not cause any harm to human life as well as jobs. We hope that this was a helpful session for you and you learned everything you wanted to know about artificial intelligence. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss an informational video related to different professions, education systems and courses. Click on the bell icon to receive notifications of our updates.